Yeah. So core value proposition. So for suppose you want to buy a tool, what are the key factors or features which will provide you benefits and advantages to your business operations? Features, advantages, and benefits. FAB. If you see, so a lot of companies are facing challenges because all-time audit readiness is a problem, and verifying and checking and ensuring that compliance of documentation is a challenge, and traceability of every document as against every product which is being manufactured, and the related documents traceability is a challenge. So audit readiness by design. So when we're building the solution itself, we've clearly demarcated the rules and regulations and defined the requirements, and accordingly the solution is being mapped. And this is developed by industry experts. So there will not be any chance of non-conformance or non-compliance until unless you being a user, if you don't use, otherwise it is going to meet 100% compliance. So, okay, audit readiness by design. So, built-in compliance controls are there. Evidence-driven operations. So, traceability is very easy here. And holistic traceability. There is bidirectional linkages across quality events. So, if you see kappa, you can see the deviation number. If you see the deviation, you can get the kappa reference number. And the same is applicable to market compliant versus kappa, kappa versus compliant. Yeah. And then inbuilt quantitative risk assessment. The benefit of this particular tool is, as you know very well, as per WHO or US FDA or ICH, quality risk management. Risk QRM is a key activity or key area for every change proposal, for every deviation, for every compliant, and for any critical or major observation. So when risk assessment need to be performed, we are going to ensure that either qualitative risk assessment or quantitative risk assessment need to be performed. So in that case, it's a very big challenge to quality teams, as all the stakeholders like production, QC, engineering, warehouse, HR, IT, SCM, purchase, all will fall under QA. All are going to fall on QA. Please do risk assessment, even though it is their own part. So here, both the user as well as the approver, both will be at comfortable zone, because here we have provided quantitative risk assessment. Risk priority numbering, RPN, is being built within the solution. So you need to just give the inputs like your probability, detectability, and S into O into D, severity, probability of occurrence, and detectability. If you can provide the numbers, automatically the RPN number is going to be calculated. Accordingly, you can categorize the classification of the deviation, classification of change control, classification of the compliant, whatever. And then intelligent workflow orchestration. Here, as we have our role-based access controls, role-based automated workflows are in place. And finally, we are going to ensure regulatory compliance with US FDA 21 for Part 11 and ISO 13485 and ISO 909001 and GXP.
Watch the full video on our website. Click the link in the description to get started.